Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to fall in love? That's how I felt with this awesome clock from Vctrqov. I literally fell in love at first sight once I saw this clock. This clock really doesn't just tell time, it's a piece of art. It's a truly elevating look for my living room where I already have mid-century and mid-century looking pieces, and this matches perfectly. It was packed really well and easy to put up, and it stays securely. It has a slight off-the-wall mounting look so that it really looks three-dimensional once I put it up on the wall. It also has a continuous quiet sweep, and they included extra hands in case you need them. I also really appreciate that to operate it, all you need is a AA battery, so it's super simple. I love that all of the design of it is made perfectly, so it truly does look like a mid-century piece. I can see that this clock would really look super swanky if you had it in a bar room, if you had it in a billiard room, a game room, an office, but I truly love how it looks in my living room. I really feel as if the decor of it matches perfectly. I love that it's quiet and modern with that easy to use feature of batteries. And I'm so happy that this clock really adds such a lot of style to my living room. But that's just my point of view.